At BatteryEVO, we take great care in the shipping of every product to ensure it arrives safely at your doorstep. Today, we'll walk you through the process of how we ship the Walrus G3 all-in-one energy storage system so you'll know exactly what to expect upon delivery. Your G3 will be shipped in 3 boxes, one for the battery, one for the inverter, and one for included accessories. We place these securely at the center of the pallet, carefully balancing the weight for stable transport. Then, we begin wrapping by securing stretch wrap to the pallet's corner, covering all 3 boxes while ensuring the battery's wheels are locked into place for added stability. Finally, we add a solid black layer for discreet shipping, followed by safety stickers for safe handling. Your unit is then loaded up for quick, reliable freight shipping straight to your home or business. When your G3 arrives, this is how you'll find everything packed up. In the small box, you'll find your 2 NEMA 50-amp extension cables, which can be used to plug your Walrus G3 into your main electrical panel and a sub-panel in your home. The large box with wheels on the bottom contains your G3 battery. Your G3 battery contains 22 kilowatt hours of clean green lithium-ion storage. Slide the box off the top and there you have it. The final box contains your inverter, as well as some L brackets which can be assembled to mount it on your wall if you choose to do so, some screws, and your PV to Anderson cable. Assembling your Walrus G3 will likely take 2 people as the inverter is heavy to lift. Lift it out of the box and place it on top of the G3 battery where it'll easily snap into place. Now, just connect the wire on the back and turn on your G3. Assembling your G3 is quick and easy, and with no permits needed, you can plug it right in and play. For more information on how to install the wiring of the G3, check out our page or find us at BatteryEVO.com.